Hi and welcome to Reseller News Weekends. Today is October 13, 2018. My name is Rich Pasini. Thank you for tuning in. I want to make this quite a short news brief here. So without further ado, I'm going to go right to it. Here's a story that came up from for those who are new, I do not read all the web pages verbatim, so I will pick out some parts of it and I will give you the URL, and then it's up to you if you like to follow through with it. Here's one over here. It says eBay modem scammer steals $500 from an Avondale woman. This story was posted October 12th, which was yesterday, 2018. And I'm going to play the video over here. I just got to mute my mic so you could check it out and hear what it has to say. And then I'll just expand a little line. Then we'll go to the next one. So here we go.
We have a warning to anyone who might be in the market for a used car soon. Many online car buyers like eBay because of all the protection it provides. But one young Avondale woman just learned it's no good if the eBay pages turn out to all be fake. Chauncey Colvin was hunting for a used car and found a great deal on Let Go, a selling app like Craigslist. It was a 2010 Nissan Maxima for a bargain, $1,500.
I seen every part of the car. I seen the inside, I seen the front.
Chauncey messaged the seller, who explained she was in the military and was about to be deployed. The woman needed to sell the car quickly at a low price.
She said that she was actually going to go on training for her medical team for about a year.
The seller said it would be sold through eBay Motors for safety, and that Chauncey needed to send a $500 deposit on eBay gift cards.
I put $200 on one, I put $200 on another one, and then I put $100 on one.
But that was the last she heard from the seller. It was all a scam. In case you're wondering how people keep falling for these car selling scams, oh, it is very easy. You see, the seller will be contacting you from an eBay Motors email address, making it look like you are dealing with eBay.
I said, okay, it's eBay. eBay kind of is a secure site.
eBay told us the transaction appears to be a scam. Unfortunately, scam artists will list items for sale on non-eBay trading sites and promise eBay's protection as a means of completing the scam. He said to protect yourself, do not pay via gift cards or Western Union, and be suspicious of any car or truck you can't see in person.
I thought she trusted me. I trusted her.
But that trust has now cost Chauncey $500. That's tough. We've asked eBay to look into Chauncey's case and see if there's any chance she can recover some of the money stolen by the scammer. As for the car, by the way, the pictures of it were stolen from a legitimate listing at a much higher price. Finally, it's You Win Wednesday, and Sam's Clubs are offering free health screenings this Saturday.
Well, you see what we got going on, folks. Now you see what's going on. This is, I think I did a story once before on this here with the guy who was buying heavy equipment. I think it was like a little bulldozer type of thing or a payloader. And I think he got taken for thousands of dollars, unfortunately. And I think I did another story, it wasn't with this girl here, it was another one, where another woman got scammed. You got to be careful, folks. You got to be careful who you're dealing with. You got to watch these scammers. They come up with all these crazy ideas on how to, how to get over on people. And I mean, that should be a red flag. When someone starts telling you to pay with gift cards, that should be a turn off right there and then. Not for nothing, folks, but my suggestions is if you're going to get a car, go to a dealer, where you can actually sit in the car, take it for a test drive. I know people want to go to eBay, they buy certain things because they get good prices and stuff like that. But to be honest with you, folks, when it comes to cars, boats, or anything of that thing, heavy equipment, or if you're going to buy any type of, motorized thing, yeah, you're better off just going to a regular store, pick it up, or, or check it out, I should say. In this case, a car, me personally, I would never buy a car off of eBay, Craigslist, or anybody for that matter of fact. I'd rather go to a dealer and get a car like that, within my price range. But I guess this car was at a good price, and I guess that's why the buyer took a chance on it. But now, unfortunately, the girl is out $500. So please be careful if you're going to do that there. If you want to check this story out, it's www.cpo.com. And you can check that story out. So just be careful for the scammers, folks. Let's move right along. If I can get out of here. Okay. This one over here, it says eBay supports. Now, this one here is from markets. This is the URL, markets.businessinsider.com. And this story goes on to say, excuse me, eBay supports young entrepreneurs with launch of Prince's Trust Tomorrow store on its marketplace. Okay. Apparently it's in the UK. It says London, October 12, 2018, PR Newswire. Tomorrow's stores launches an eBayco.co.uk with $5, I guess it's £5 or whatever, for every purchase donated to the Trust Enterprise program supporting young entrepreneurs who overcome adversity to launch their own businesses. All right, so well, this here, I'm not going to read the whole story, folks. Like I said, I want to keep this a news brief. I want to keep it really short as possible. If you'd like to check this story out, you can go to markets.businessinsider.com. Okay, let's move right along, folks. My computer's a little slow, so please bear with me. This one here is from thesun.co.uk. Okay, and it's thesun.co.uk. I'm sorry about that, folks. This story here, it says, okay, selling death online. Illegal zombie knives are deadly samurai swords for sale on eBay thanks to the loophole in the law. It goes on to say here, let's see here. Oh, it says web giant eBay is selling illegal zombie knives and samurai swords to Brits. The Sun can reveal. Dozens of deadly knives can be ordered from an online retailer and delivered to Britain as little as 25, I guess it's, again, pounds. All right, the way they have the conversion there. Samurai sword is listed on a sale on eBay. All right, and then you could check it out. Well, they got, wow, look at these crazy knives. That's crazy. I'm not interested in knives or swords or anything of that sort. But if you would like to check this out, folks, you could go to the Sun, www.thesun.co.uk, and that's the URL. Or you could just type in, if you want to do a Google search, selling samurai swords, illegal samurai swords and knives on eBay, and that'll probably bring you right to the story. Okay, let's move right along here. Here's another story. This is from postandparcel.info. That's the website. And it says eBay Germany enables business sellers to compete with Amazon. Okay. Let's go over here. It says with eBay Germany has launched two new logistics services for business sellers, eBay Fulfillment and eBay Shopping Reports. This is from tamebay.com. I guess put that story out. Both of these services will qualify sellers for eBay Plus, a subscription service for the buyers offering fast and free premium shipping and simple free returns and a premium customer service. Sellers will benefit from sellers benefit from better visibility on eBay paid returns and when the processing on all eBay Plus orders on the same working day. Sellers receive an additional 20% discount on sales commissions. All right, if you want to check this out, folks, this is the website right here, Post and Parcel, and you can check it out. You can read the rest of this here. All right. It's got the eBay fulfillment, eBay shipping. I don't know. Like I said, this is a little new to me as far as what this service goes. I have to check into it. We'll see where that goes. I'm just looking at the bottom over here, folks. I'm trying to look at the little stories here. It just says USPS proposes shipping fee to increase Amazon. Oh, jeez. October 12th. Yeah. All right. Well, that's another story, folks. We'll leave that for a lot of time. Let's move right along here. Let's see here. Let's see. Well, we'll set this here for now. It says over here, this story here, folks, by the way, is www.manchestereveningnews.co.uk. And the story is the artist selling piles of dirt on eBay for, I guess that's considered pounds, 10 pounds, whatever. Everyone has everything they need these days. So what can be more valuable than precious earth? Oh boy, I tell you, I gotta do that story, that remake of that story of the oddball things that sold on eBay. You're gonna kick out of it, really. It says over here, our artist Stuart Hampton is selling piles of dirt online to raise money for the hippie commune. That says over here, you get daily updates. Okay, if you want to subscribe to that there. It says that eBay, as the eBay listing goes, this is definitely one for the more unusual ones. Artist Stuart Hampton is selling piles of dirt online for $10, I guess, what, £10 a pop, in a bid to raise money to create its own hippie commune. Okay. I'm not going to read the whole thing here. You could check it out. I like to, the whole purpose of the Reseller News and the Reseller News Weekends, folks, is just to bring out highlighted stuff that if you weren't aware of it, and if you are a follower of my channel, you'll just get an idea of what's going on out there, who's doing what, where in the e-commerce world, right? But you could check this one out, and you could just look for, if you can't find it with the URL, just type in Google, the artist selling piles of dirt on eBay, and it should bring the story up. Let's move right along here. Okay, this story here is from thetimes.co.uk, and it goes on to say here, big cat body parts for sale on eBay despite online ban. Wow. This came out today. This story is October 13, as you can see over here, 2018. It goes on to say here, a leopard rug was for sale online despite the pledges that some cannot be sold. Some such items cannot be sold. Body parts of tigers, leopards, and other endangered big cats are being illegally sold on eBay and Facebook despite the company's repeated promises to stop facilitating the trade. An investigation by the Times found sellers are openly offering coats, rugs, and handbags up to $5,000 each made from skin or protected species, which eBay and Facebook have banned from their websites. This is how people get themselves in problems. That's what I said. And then if these people get booted or kicked off of eBay or get their accounts canceled or suspended, they'll be the first to complain and say, oh, they did this here, they took me off, they'll start complaining about eBay. Fair is fair. If you're on their platform, if that's their rules and regulations, they don't want you selling stuff like that, abide by the rules. So people do get kicked off or banned or whatever from the eBay or whatever, or they get their account closed. I don't blame eBay. They're doing what they have to do, Follow the rules and the regulations. If it's a ban, they don't want certain things being sold on eBay, don't do it, Don't pursue it anyway. But just wanted to share that with you guys. And last but not least here, this one, this is the same story. Okay, this is a different one. Same story, but different. All right, I'm not going to read this one, folks. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you do like this channel, you like the information I put out, please subscribe and hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification if you want to be updated on when I put out new information out there. So please do. And until next time, this is Rich Pasini signing off for the Reseller News Weekends, October 13, 2018. Thanks again, guys. Talk to you then. Bye-bye.